with the Shadow series is the one that has the Ryzen 7 3700 and then RTX 3060 12 gigabytes and 1 terabyte of SSD.
Yeah, now you're talking 30 series
Now
cards.
we're talking to get into some real serious gaming territory, and we're talking being able to run modern games at high fidelity, at high frame rates. You're going to be able to run almost everything in 1440p on high settings with this system because you're running an NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics card, which the 30 line is the most recent line. If you're running modern graphics cards, you're also throwing in 1 terabyte of SSD space. So if you're like a Steam gamer fanatic, all of your games are going to fit on that SSD, plus your OS, plus all your file storage. You're probably not going to need much more than that. This one is one of my favorites.
But getting the pre-built makes so much more sense, especially for people that want to get these parts fast or want to get these computers fast. They want something up and running fast, and they don't want to have to deal with all the rigmarole of building your own PC. I love this system for that reason. And the 3060 card performs extremely well. I'd say it's kind of mid to mid-high end as a card. 12 gigabytes of VRAM inside this card. I mean, it can definitely handle 1440p gaming. It's going to be a little bit tough for it to handle 4K gaming. It can probably handle 4K on certain settings, but this is going to be a sweet spot system, I think, for 1080p gaming and 2K gaming. And it's going to be able to handle that like a champ. Really quick, gaming creators, if you have not already entered our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes, you got to do it. Link in the description below. It includes Rode, who hooked us up with this Rode Procaster microphone, shock mount, boom arm, and the mixer to go with it. If you want to sound this good, let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. Take a look. It also includes this mixer right here, which is arguably the highest end creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a Legend license if you want to step up your YouTube channel management game, and Restream threw in a license as well if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow through live streaming faster. This costs $0 to enter. Link in the description below. If you want to enter the sweepstakes, if you want to sound this good, the exact package we use on the podcast every single day, and the tools we use to manage our channels and help our clients, all free as a part of this sweepstakes. Good luck. I hope you win. Adios, gaming creators. Appreciate you.